We have TM Razia with us. She is beautiful, she is brilliant, she's a great speaker. You have been speaking since so long. How will you rate your first ever speech?
My first speech in Toastmasters was in Icebreaker, and I would rate it as 7 out of 10.
Wow, lovely.
Yeah.
Nobody has
And,
rated that speech so high till now.
Why? Because DTM Loyola, who is a fantastic speaker in Abu Dhabi Toastmasters Club, after my Icebreaker speech, he came to me and he said, "You should work on yourself because you're a potential candidate for an international speech contest."
Wow.
And that made my day, that made my evening, and I started to, gear up for preparations.
Absolutely. TM Razia, you have been a winner in the evaluation section, right? One of the DTAC winners of the evaluation section. Tell me, what is difficult, giving your own speech or giving evaluations?
Giving your own speech, I believe, because it's a prepared speech, you can rehearse as many times as you can, so it becomes a bit easier, though it's the duration is a bit long. Evaluation is sort of impromptu speech. Yeah, you have to prepare a few minutes, like you just get a few minutes, you have to run your thoughts in the mind, and the most challenging thing is your sequence in evaluation. So if you're the first speaker, you actually don't get any time to run through your thoughts. True. Right? And to structure your thoughts properly. And evaluation is a bit tricky because you need to have an approach, a strategy on it. So I
That's
believe
true.
evaluation is more challenging.
Absolutely. So as we all say, feedbacks are always challenging because your thoughts actually makes a lot of difference into it. So, a public speaker, what do you choose, confidence or clarity?
I believe both go hand in hand. Okay? Clarity of thoughts is very important because now we have so much of information all across. So when you, as a speaker, are clear in thoughts, you will be more confident in delivery. Right? No matter how confident you are, even people are faking confidence, but if they don't have their thoughts organized in their head, they cannot articulate it well. So have clarity of thoughts, and then the projection with confidence will become very easy. That's what I think.
That's lovely. So have confidence and clarity both to become a speaker. And my final question to you is your go-to mantra that you always stand by when you have to give a conference speech?
To be very honest, when I have seen so many girls coming up to me and telling me that you are a role model, and that gives me goosebumps. That gives me something. It's like a big inspiration for me that I have to keep going, because even if I am inspiring one in the crowd of hundreds, that makes sense. That I can give back to the society in my small way. So that keeps me really inspired, and I will keep on going till I live on this earth.
That's so true. When you can really influence even one person, I think your job is done. As
I always believe that right keys to your success are within you. So all you have to do is to seize your keys. That's it.
lovely. So seize your keys, be confident, and as you know, TM Razia is always there on Instagram. You can follow her and learn from her experience too. Thank you, TM Razia. That was really lovely meeting.